Linda Sessions here. In this video, we are going to look at the Cengage interface and how to move around in it. Here in Blackboard in the module, you will see the assignments listed. Under Word Module 1, you'll see 3 links. Word Module 1, Creating and Modifying a Flyer. This is the e-text. Do Revised Word Module 1 Training. This is the Observe, Practice, Apply training. Do Word Module 1, SAM End of Module Project 1, the SAM project. Select the Word Module 1, Creating and Modifying a Flyer. Then select Click to Launch. This link will take you straight to the e-text chapter for Word Module 1. You'll see a listing of all the skills discussed in the e-text. Scroll down to see the entire list. You can select the chevron on the right side to advance to the next page. And keep selecting it to move around in the chapter. Once you've passed the first page, you'll see the chevron on the left as well. Another way to move around in the chapter is to click on the heading you are interested in. Click on Word Wrap. It will take you straight to the information on Word Wrap, what it is and how to do it, how to use it. Again, you see the chevrons on either side of the screen to navigate through the e-text. Or you can come to this bulleted icon list, select it, and it will take you back to the table of contents. After you have selected a topic, you will see 5 icons in the upper right. The first is a face with sound waves coming out of the mouth. This allows you to have the e-text read to you.
Word Wrap. Word Wrap allows you to type words in a paragraph continually without pressing enter at the end of each line.
Over here on the SAM bar, where you see Read Speaker, you can select that to change the speed and the voice.
Word Wrap. Word Wrap allows you to type words in a paragraph continually.
Next to this icon is where you can make your e-text appear larger on the screen. The banner icon will insert a bookmark on the current page so you can find your place later. The print icon will allow you to print the current page. The question mark will show you how to move around on the page in case you have questions. When you are finished looking at your e-text, close that tab on your browser. The next link is the training. Select this link and then click to launch. Once the content is loaded, select the Start button. This opens the Observe, Practice, and Apply training. Remember, you can start with Apply, and if you already know how to complete the skill, go ahead and do it. If it says it is incorrect, go back and observe or practice the skill before attempting to apply it again. Some trainings may take you up to an hour or more to complete, so make sure you give yourself enough time to complete these. You don't have to complete the entire training at one setting. When you are finished working on it for the day, go ahead and click Submit. Close the tab in your browser, and when you are ready to resume the training, select the link, click to launch, and it will take you to the training right where you left off. It is recommended that you complete the training before attempting to complete the projects for the module. The last link takes you to the project. Select the link, then click to launch. Do this when you are ready to begin working on the project. You can check to make sure that you have the correct version of Microsoft Office installed for this project. If you have questions on installing Microsoft Office, please call our IT department at 677-9906. You have the maximum of 10 submissions allowed for this assignment. The highest grade is what will be posted in the gradebook. When you are ready, select the Start button. 3 boxes will appear across the screen. 1. Download files. 2. Save work to SAM. And 3. Submit for grade. In box 1, you will see all the files posted you need to download for this project. You will need all of them. You can download them all at once or one at a time. Once you have them downloaded, you can close this screen. To see the files you've downloaded, they'll be across the bottom of your screen here, or you can select File Explorer from your taskbar and then go to Downloads. You'll see them listed here. Let's start with the instruction file. If you see the yellow Protected View bar across the top, you will need to select Enable Editing to continue. The Getting Started area lists the steps you need to take to get started. You've already downloaded the files. Keeping this file open, go back to your downloads and select the starter document. Again, if you see the protected view across the top, you will need to select Enable Editing before you can go forward. Once you have your file open, the first thing you need to do is save it. So we are going to go to the File tab, then select Save As. From there, go to Browse, and we're going to select Desktop. We're going to create a new folder for our class, and this is the folder where you will save all of your files. Double-click on the folder you've just created to open it. Now go to the file name, and you're going to delete the numbers after your name, and you want it to be an underscore followed by the number 2. Hit Save. Now you're ready to make changes to your document based on the instructions. Make sure that you follow the steps in order, and make sure you read the entire project step, as what you need to do might be in the last sentence. Or you might be asked to complete more than one activity per step. If you are not sure about what a step is asking you to do, go back to Blackboard, open the eText, and look up the skill in the table of contents. You can also go to your web browser in the search bar, type what it is it's asking you to do. In this case, in step 1, we're being asked to change document theme colors to blue warm. You can also go to YouTube and enter the information there. When you've completed the first step, then go to step 2 and work your way through all the steps in the assignment. In the case of the Associated Regional Hospital assignment, in step 10, you are asked to insert the picture file you downloaded. First, place your insertion point and the location in the document where it needs to be inserted. On the Insert tab, we're going to select Pictures. Then from this device, select the Downloads folder, and the picture that you need will be located there. Once you are through with all the steps, then you're ready to go back to Blackboard and select the link for this assignment. First, save your document and close Word. In Blackboard, select the assignment, click to launch, and then select Start. Now you'll be working with number 2, Save Work to SAM. The expected file name is listed right here in this box. You must have the correct name on your file to submit it. Select where it says Click to Browse Files and locate your completed file. Again, if you do not have the correct name, it will not accept your work. Now you should see a blue Submit box in step 3. Select this box to submit your assignment. You should have a Submission Successfully Graded green box. Beneath that will be your attempt history, and you'll also see Graded Summary Report and Study Guide. When you select the Graded Summary Report, it will download this file. Open that file, and there will be a report to tell you exactly what you were missing that caused you to lose points. Read through this report. Now open your submitted document. You will go to your File Explorer, your desktop, find your class, and then open that document. In this document, make the changes as outlined from your graded report. Save your document, close it, go back into Blackboard. We're going to close this screen, go back to the assignment in Blackboard, click to launch, select Start, and then go back to Save Work to SAM and upload your completed document. Go through the steps, hit Submit, and again, you will have your graded summary report. The study guide will open a screen where each step is outlined, and it gives you your grade for that step. Over on the far right of this document, you can access short videos like the ones from your training. These go over how to complete each individual step. Remember, if necessary, you can submit the assignment up to 10 times with your highest grade reported in Blackboard. Don't forget the link to the YouTube help videos in Blackboard. Here, I go over the assignment step by step. The interface for Cengage looks a little different in these videos, but the steps for the projects are the same. I want you to be successful in this class. I am available for a phone call or a Zoom session if you have individual questions. Send me an email with your question or request to visit, and we can set up a time to meet. Have a great rest of your week.